Hey guys, this is Michael Myers 101 with another unboxing video. This time doing the presidential lapel pin. Just got it in the mail. It's the one that's worn by presidential candidates during the debates, everything like that. I'm gonna take this out here. So see the logo, the current president here. This out, so it comes in this box here. You open this up and see the lapel pin here. And I heard that this is a lot of the presidential candidates have been wearing these, and presidents have been wearing these since 9/11. So the reason it became really popular, I guess, was after that to show support after 9/11. So let's take this out. So you can see the pin on the back there. And it's supposed to be 24 karat gold plated. So that's pretty nice. There's also a logo on the inside of the box here. President of the United States logo there. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.